welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. So today I'm going to be doing this Thanksgiving / fall nail set on my dominant hand using my non-dominant hand because I need to keep practicing doing that so I can get better. It's really hard, but I feel like I'm getting a little better. I just need to keep practicing. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video today. I'm going to be doing this set using this Ohuhu polygel kit that I got from Amazon. It's really affordable, you guys. I'm telling you guys should get it because it's a really affordable kit. This is not sponsored, by the way. So this kit comes with 12 polygels. It comes with everything that you need. So it comes with like the double-sided spatula and brush. And it comes with nippers, which is also a necessity. It also comes with dual forms, which I don't use in this video, but if you guys want me to use it in the next video, just comment below. These curvy nail tips are just not it. I don't really like curvy nails. I like straight nails. So it comes with base coat, top coat, and it comes with 4 glitters. These glitters are super pretty. And it comes with a sip solution, but I used this kit prior, so I just couldn't find a sip solution anywhere. So I'm sorry about that, guys, but it does come with a sip solution. And it comes with 12 polygels, 4 temperature changing polygels, and just 4 regular, like a nude set. So the first color is like this white color. Then it comes with this like dark purple, I don't know. Then it comes with number 3, which is this pink color. Then it comes with this nude color, which is a really nice nude color, which is number 4. All of these are numbered. This is number 5, which is like a pinkish nudish color. And it comes with a nice bright pink color. It comes with a deep nude. I'm pretty sure this is what it's called. And it comes with clear. It comes with the first color changing color, which is the pink one. I think it turns into clear. And this is like a rosy pink temperature changing color. This one's like an orangish temperature changing color. And this one's like a really light pink temperature changing color. And these are all the swatches of the nails. The colors, these are the 4 temperature changing colors, and the rest are just regular nude colors. These colors are super pretty. Like, I love the shades of these colors. But these are how they look when they're cured. I cured them in the line for 30 seconds, so these are how they look when they're cured. They look pretty pretty. So basically, like, the temperature changing colors just turned a little clear, like a little bit more clear and see-through. So yeah. Well, we're just gonna start off by gluing on the nail tips because I already prepped my nails prior. I'm gonna take my Cadius nail glue. I'm just gonna glue on these nail tips. Everything I use will be linked in the description. So this is like a medium set I'm gonna be doing today. Actually, it's kind of long. I don't know. It depends on what you think long or medium is. But I consider these medium because they aren't that long, so. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my nail tip cutters and go ahead and cut these nail tips to my desired length. I'm gonna go ahead and try to file these nails. I mean, they already have a nice shape because these were stiletto nails at first, so when you cut them down, like the shape is just like the perfect coffin shape. So right now I'm just filing up the sides, making sure that they actually fit my fingernail and they're not like too big or too small. I'm going to go in with my drill and make sure to blend in the nail with my natural nail, and also remove the shine from the tip, because I feel like that just makes the polygel stick on to the nail way better. When you're blending in the nail tip to your natural nail, you can't do it too hard because it can hurt you, it can burn, because it's actually on your natural nail. So I'm going to go ahead and put some dehydrator on all of my nails. I'm going to go ahead with some extra strength primer, and I'm going to be putting 2 coats of that on my nails because I want these nails to last. I'm going to go in and with my base coat, and I'm just going to be putting a thin layer on all of the nails, and I'm going to be curing that in my nail lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds. It's depending on your nail lamp. I don't really know like the variations and the ratios, but there's Google, so yeah, you guys. I think you can for like a UV light, with just like a UV light, it's 60 seconds, but I'm not really sure. I'm gonna take my acetone, and I'm just gonna be using that as my slip solution, filling that up with my damping dish. So now I'm just gonna be taking this nude color. It's the pinkish nude color, and I'm just going to be using that as my cuticle bead for all the nails, and making like this slant because that's gonna be the style of my nail today. I'm gonna be doing this style, you guys. I got this style off Instagram, so yeah, you guys. So this polygel consistency was actually good. It was more on the softer side, so you have to work really light. I had to leave this kit outside so it can, because last time I used it, it was really soft and runny. But after I left it outside to cool down, to be a little colder, so it can like be a little more stiff, so it can be easier to mold, it actually turned out really good. So I'm making sure not to flood the cuticles and just cleaning up the cuticles as best as I can so that they don't flood. You can cause lifting if you don't clean up the cuticles. So these are how the nails look, and I'm just going to be filing and sharpening up these nails. I'm going to be taking some acetone first and wiping off the tacky layer so I can be able to file it off, because if you don't, then it can easily gunk up your hand file. So this is 181. I think it's an 8100 kit that I got from Amazon. It will be linked in the description if you want it. And I'm just sharpening up the shape and also the line. I'm making sure not to do it too hard because you can actually cut the nail off, like the fake nail off, if you go too hard, because you're like making an indent. So now I'm just going to be taking my mixing plate and these colors. I got these gel polishes from Amazon, also linked in the description. These are really pretty fall colors, so I'm going to be using 5 of them because I have 5 fingers. But these are the colors. This is like a dark nude color, and this one is like a cocoa color. I don't know, it's like a weird color. And this one's like an orangey, like turmeric color, to be honest. So these are all the colors I'm going to be using, and these are in order on how I'm going to be using them on each finger. So first, I'm just be taking some clear polygel and then the color that I want, and I'm just mixing it so that it can be like a polygel consistency. But I'm not going to be putting too much gel color in it because that can make it way too sticky and hard to mold. So I'm just basically taking that bead with using my spatula, and I'm just going to be fitting that around the edges and filling up the nail. I'm just going to continue doing this for all the nails, but the different colors. I actually think that it's better that you go over like the line so that when you file it off, it's like the perfect line. So that's what I kind of did. You have to make sure you mix it good, because when I first mixed it, I didn't mix it really good, and you could see like spots of clear. So then I had to remove the polygel from my finger and then start over. God, I don't know, it's been like weird because people keep saying that using acetone can like break down the nail. I don't know, it hasn't broken down the nail for me, so I don't know if it's actually true. But comment down below if you know, because I don't know. I think acetone works as a great chip solution. It's like an alternative. Because I didn't have any isopropyl alcohol or anything, so I just used my acetone as slip solution. So these are the nails look after they've been cured. Now I'm just going to take some acetone and I'm just going to wipe out this tacky layer off the nail. And now I'm just going to be taking my drill. I think this is like a coarse drill, so it kind of like removes product, which I kind of wanted because I had extra polygel over the line, which I was trying to get out to make that perfect, to reveal that perfect line. So these are McCart nail drills. If you guys want them, the link would also be in the description. And also use my code for 15% off. Also linked in the description, guys. But I'm doing this with a light hand because this nail drill is coarse and it can actually cause indents in your nails, which are really annoying because you have to go back in with like clear polygel and like fill it in. Now I'm going to go in with my hand file. I'm just going to be kind of like smoothing out the nail, making sure I got every part of the nail, and just cleaning up the shape of these nails and crispening up the shape. I tend to like feel the nails to see if there's any lumps and bumps, which I actually really recommend because it helps. Now I'm going to go in with this needle bit and go around the cuticles. I'm trying to make sure that the cuticles are flush, because if they're not like flush, then it can actually cause lifting. So I'm just going in with that. I don't think that was the best nail drill to use because it's kind of pointy, so it can actually hurt. But now I'm just going to take my buffer and buff out these nails, all the scratches out these nails, because you don't want to see them when you put the top coat. And I'm going to take my top coat and no, I'm gonna take my base coat and I'm gonna take some gold foil, and I'm just going to be putting the base coat on around that line right there, and I'm just going to be putting foil on top of the base coat without curing the base coat. I'm gonna do that for all the nails except for my ring finger. So these were the only gold folds I had. I don't really like them. I kind of like the ones where you can break up yourself, because these were kind of harder and more bulky, so they were kind of hard to like use. But for this ring finger, I was just gonna be putting some diamonds, some bling across the line of like the intersection of like the two polygels. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my top coat and make sure that I put a nice generous amount, because these folds were kind of like sticking out, so I just made sure I put them a nice generous amount over the foils so that they wouldn't fall off and like poke me or anything. I make sure like I wipe the sides of the nails so that I wouldn't lose the shape of my nails. I know I didn't show it in the video, but I kind of cut it off. But that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to wipe the sides of the nails so that you wouldn't lose the shape of the nails. So these are the nails up with top coat. I'm going to go ahead with my cuticle oil, and I'm going to be putting that all over my cuticles to rehydrate these cuticles because they are so dry. I'm just going to be rubbing that in. And these are how the nails look, you guys. I really like this set. It turned out so good. It was a little hard to do it on my dominant hand, but I did it. Just practice makes perfect. But I love this set, you guys. If you guys like this set, just comment down below, and comment down below what other sets you guys want me to do. I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you guys eat good, because Thanksgiving is just a day to eat and enjoy your family, enjoy your day. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment what videos you guys want me to do, and I'll see you guys later.